Hey y'all, it's Kiara. Welcome back to my channel.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
This feels so weird. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys like a empty apartment tour, but I've been here for a few days, like 2 days, so stuff is kind of scattered around, but I still wanted to show you guys. Okay, so let's get started. And this is what you see first here. Right here, this store you have the washing area. I really like stuff over there. And I got the mop and stuff over there. Then to the right, we have the refrigerator. Just stuff there. This little yeah, we got a plug-in up there. I don't know. Got to be clean. I mean, you got to smell good. And you got the stove, the microwave. Then I got some paper plates. Yeah, like some plates. Got my counter here for me. Over here, we got the kitchen sink, dishwasher. Got a pantry. And then this is our living room. Okay, so far, this is what I'm show you guys. And we have a bedroom. I don't want to show you guys my bedroom. Like, not right now. In another video, maybe. And we have our shower. Sorry, I stuck in there in the bathtub and shower. And I like how this light is up there. So like you can turn it all up. I mean, you can just have it like and I just got this shower, but when I decorate, I feel like I'm not gonna use the shower. And we have the mirror. Plenty of cabinets and stuff, like a lot of drawers and stuff in there. And then this is our closet, y'all. We already moved in, y'all. So it's still empty though, so. So the cabinets are very big, like it's really nice. I like it. And then I didn't even show you guys like the lights and stuff, but so like it have those lights over here and then this right here. So you can and then like right here by the door it has a light. So if you want to, you just have like this bar right there. Then like this light. Like right over here. So hey y'all, I just woke up from my nap. And get ready to go buy some groceries and stuff. Go shopping, and I'm just take y'all along with me. Yeah. I just had a good nap, like a really good nap. Chill. it. So. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the mall. I need to come in here and give me a jacket because I don't have one. Like, my eyebrows look crazy. That look crazy, y'all. Oh no. I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. Okay, y'all, I did something to my settings. I don't even know. But hopefully it looks okay. We finna go in this mall, going pink. I just need a jacket, cause I don't have one, and I'm missing nails. Like, But and then after that, we're gonna go to Walmart or some grocery store, so I can get some food so I can cook tonight. And then I'm probably just go take y'all along with me. And then when I finish cooking, I'm gonna show y'all my food and stuff. And then I'm gonna end the video. So this video won't be too short, because if I would have just showed y'all the apartment, chill, y'all probably would have just watched it and not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go and click off the video and subscribe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, y'all, so I'm at Walmart now. I did not find anything at Pink. It was like, y'all, I'm gonna stop shopping in there because that stuff just don't look good to me no more. Like, back in the days, like back in like what, 2019, 2018, that stuff looks so freaking good. Like, I cannot make it up. I cannot make it up. But I'm gonna go in this store, y'all. Go in Walmart, get my some stuff, some groceries to cook. So yeah. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too, you do. Alright, so I was vlogging earlier and the camera wasn't even. Babe, now you trying. Am I the only one that get comfortable? Like, it's like fast as possible. Let me show y'all what I got. Got a cake and it says congrats. Let me show my boyfriend. Babe, look. Alright, y'all, so I got this cake. Oh, and then I got these. I'm gonna try on the vlog for y'all. I got two. I feel like everybody been talking about these. I got the raspberry rose and I got the strawberry lemonade. Cinnamon rolls, because my boyfriend said he wants cinnamon rolls like in the morning, whatever. Got hamburger helper. I got two hamburger helpers. And then I got some Texas toast, some bagels for like breakfast in the morning, and some cream cheese. I got blueberry bagels. And then I got some corn on the cob. And the main thing I got is this lasagna. That's what we eating tonight. Bro, let me show you guys. So everything, yeah. It's so pretty outside, y'all. The natural light, everything. So we're gonna put some of this stuff up and then we're gonna cook the rest of it. Okay, so I'm gonna cook y'all here. Enjoy the meal montage. Yeah, montage.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah.
Yeah, I be aiming for like 20-minute vlogs, 15 to 20-minute vlogs. So y'all wanna see like longer vlogs. Now that's gonna be so cute. Cake. I really wanted some flowers, y'all, but I ain't bought none. So freaking cute. Let me take a picture of the bathroom for this for thumbnails. We all get a picture of the tub because the bathroom is like, y'all see all this stuff like, child, we done moved in. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so picture. Let y'all see what I'm taking a picture of. Yeah, I love my apartment. Alright, so my camera battery is dead. I want to try these drinks. This is the strawberry one. It smells good. It does. I knew I was gonna like this one. I knew I was. Okay, and this is the strawberry rose, y'all. This one is better. I knew I was gonna like this one though. This one is so good. Alright, y'all, we ready to head out. I feel like my outfit is terrible. But what you think about my outfit? Yeah. I think it's terrible.
Yep.
It's terrible?
Pretty bad.
Okay, we finna go. I'll be back. So beautiful out here. So y'all, since the food won't be done until like an hour, and you know, like the food won't be done, so I'm finna run to the store. Not the store, but I'm finna run to Whataburger and get Cameron some food. This is just motivation. Like, if you want to do something, do it. Go for it. Don't let nobody tell you can't. Don't let nobody tell you nothing negative, only positive. You can, and you will, and you shall. Like, that's all. Yo, my edges, I forgot. I'm gonna be going out here looking like that, but don't let nobody like tell you you can't do something, because you can. You can do anything you put your mind to. I promise you, you can.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. really just lack every.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait.
Workout is completed. Yeah. That gym is really nice though. My first time working out in a new gym, in the new apartment. And I like it. It's really, it's giving. It's the pool, y'all. I think I don't know when I'm gonna wrap this video up, but I'm having fun vlogging, and I might start another vlog tomorrow. Why not? I need to get this.